Hello, mountain farmers. You qualify if you work at an altitude of 500 to 700 meters. The use of technology is limited, and these folks truly have it tough. Without a doubt, this delicious mountain farmer's casserole is absolutely deserved by these hard-working individuals. But since we're feeling both curious and hungry ourselves and can hardly wait, we'll make it today. So, for today's delightful recipe, we need some tasty ham or that well-marbled bacon, preferably sourced from beef. Of course, pork will work just fine too. As for spices, pepper and salt are enough. We'll also need cheese, preferably Gouda, white bread, milk, eggs, a few sprigs of fresh parsley, and some flour. First, we need to complete some preparatory tasks. We're going to begin by cutting the ham into nice little cubes, and then we'll also chop the cheese into those same lovely cubes. Next, we're going to cube the white bread, just like the cheese. Next, pour the milk into a suitable container. First, crack open the 2 eggs into the bowl, and next, mix in 2 tablespoons of flour for the mixture. Season everything generously with pepper and salt. Then, add the finely chopped parsley. Mix everything thoroughly together, and a whisk is perfectly sufficient for this. We'll need to grab a sturdy, oven-proof pan and gently place those delicious bread cubes inside it. Sprinkle the ham cubes evenly over it, and then add cubed cheese for extra taste. Mix everything together. It's best to use a wooden spoon or spatula for this. Ensure nothing spills as you work, and when combined, pour the milk mixture evenly over it. Please take your time to ensure that the mixture is spread evenly so that every ingredient gets nicely coated. And believe it or not, that's it. Put a lid on the pan and pop it into the oven. Alright, so let's bake it at 200 degrees Celsius with top and bottom heat. You'll do this for a delicious 45 minutes. When you take it out, it looks incredibly appetizing, still steaming and enveloped in a wonderfully aromatic fragrance. I like to have some pickles on the side, but you can pair it differently. A splash of gravy works wonderfully too. Whatever way you enjoy it, it's hearty, savory, and delicious. Wishing you lots of joy in preparing it, and may you have a hearty appetite for it. Until our next cooking adventure, take care. Bye-bye.